How to install out of the blue Shopify app. Log into your Shopify admin account. Search for the app in the App Store and click on the tile, which will present you with this screen. Click on install. This should install the app and redirect you to our platform. Click on sign in with Google or any other provider that you use. Select your email address and you should be able to log into the system. When you log in, you will directly land at home. This is called as the digest. By installing the app for the store selected, you enable out of the blue to track your key metrics like so: net sales, orders, average order value, visitors, conversion rate, etc. As well as it also enables you to get insights into outages that may impact your Shopify installation. For instance, here you can see on 21st August there was a Shopify outage which impacted Pay Now button at the checkout. In this app, you can also set preferences and manage details about your stores, keys, notification alerts, and so on.